Hey guys, it's Dustin, and I'm one half of the brother and sister certified financial planning duo here at Toujours Planning. And I'm here to share what you need to know about money, wealth, and investing so you can start paving your own path to financial freedom today. So today we're going to be talking about the intermediate term bucket, which is the neglected of all the buckets. And if you've been listening before, we've talked about our bucket strategy, which is breaking up your savings and investing into three separate buckets: the short term, intermediate term, and long term. The short term is for goals that are now to 2 years out. The intermediate term bucket is goals that are 2 to 10 years out. And the long term bucket is 10 plus years. All three are important, but what we notice is most people think about just the short term and the long term, and our industry does the same. People talk about your retirement accounts, like your IRAs, saving for retirement, putting away for retirement. And people also kind of talk about, make sure you have enough emergency fund savings as well. But most people don't really say, what happens if you want to retire early or enter revivement early, as we call it, before 59 and a half. And what if you want to start living that work optional lifestyle now, or make a big purchase or investment in a few years and not 10, 20 years down the road? Well, if that's the case, like most of us have goals that are just a few years out, you want to set up a separate investment account that's non-retirement, where you invest and save monthly into it. And your investment strategy should be something that's called balanced, which is having part of it in fixed income and part of it in equities or stock, depending on your risk tolerance. That way it's not too aggressive where it's susceptible to a very big stock market drop, but it's also growing too. It's not too conservative where it's still growing a little bit. So that's what we recommend for this week. So don't ignore it. Go out there and start that intermediate term bucket. And if you want to know more, subscribe to this channel and then head on over to where you listen to podcasts and search for Wealth by Design. Until next time.